So the respiratory system in the overview, upper respiratory system and the lower respiratory system, exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide enter into and gives outside. So you have to see this respiratory division of the alveoli, it's a main done in a function gases exchange. So in the upper respiratory tract to the lower respiratory tract, full pathway from the nasal cavity to the bronchioles, conducting divisions act as a conducting division, exchanging gases. Okay, it's a major function of done in the alveoli and from the nasal cavity. So the nasal chamber has the mucus secreting membrane. It's very helpful to the killing of bacteria because the mucus having a lysosome, its lymphocytes and antibodies is also present in this mucus. And you have to see the superior, middle, inferior, that is called cochlea is also turbinates. It's also called involved into the dust particles does not enter into the body, prevent process. Okay, so this touches it's increase the contracts inhaling air and keeps moisturizing conditions. Okay, and the air passing from the pharynx, nasopharynx and orthopharynx, larynx, laryngopharynx trap the dust particles in the tonsils throat of the larynpharynx because the mucus secreting epithelial lining of the layer is present. Okay, well, you have to see this pharyngeal, palatal, lingual. It's a major cavity of the trap the pathogens, filter out the uh, body, filter out the air. Okay, wow. While swallowing the time, the epiglottis is main done in the function to prevent the food allowing into the larynx of the tract, lower respiratory tract, and also protect the vocal cord while the swallowing time protect the vocal cords. Air passage into the trachea to the bronchioles. Millions of alveoli is presence. Trachea, primary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, secondary, tertiary, and bronchioles. So finally, the alveoli. So, alveoli and mucus secreting of the ciliated epithelium cells is present. So, contract and relax when they depend upon the according to the air pressure in the respiratory upper and lower respiratory tract. So, alveoli has the two type of the cells. Alveoli has the mucus secreting membrane because the reason is goblet cell. It produces mucus. All the ciliated cells as the goblet cells secrete mucus spa. Okay, and you have to see this from the trachea to the terminal bronchioles. It's a respiratory tract fully having this ciliated type of the millions of alveoli has involved into exchange of gases. Okay, va? An alveoli has the type 1 and type 2 cells. Type first cell is very thin, type 2 cells is very thick, can facilitate the gas exchanges. You have to say this type 1 squamous cells. It's a gas diffusion membrane facilitate, and another one is type 2 cells very thick. So this cells is having ciliated ciliated cuboidal cells is present. So we are named as secreting substances. So we are named as a surfactant membrane. Okay, and also it has the macrophages. So the number of macrophages is also engulf the pathogens to prevent the dust particles, pathogens, any bacteria allowing enter into the lungs region. Okay.